Part 5. Brand new machine. C7739. 30-watt fiber laser. Introduction. So for this one, the CCC 7739 30-watt fiber laser uses the tail ray cat climb technology, which enables precise marking. Its refined surface marking ensures high contrast on large codes, and at the same time, it can increase the marking speed. The cat slide pulse width is an adjustable pulse fiber laser machine. Its pulse can be adjusted using cat climb technology, allowing you to achieve ideal coding requirements by adjusting the marking parameters. It effectively addresses pain points such as poor coding results, low contrast, and the issue of the laser marker's speed not keeping up with the production line. Now let's look at the Videojet QC quick connector. The adapter can easily and perfectly achieve the conversion of the scan head from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Modular design, it supports independent replacement and upgrading of the scan head and laser, which can better meet changes in application and production line upgrades. It effectively solves the pain points of difficult, seamless integration with the industry, inability to meet the diversified coding needs of new products, and the demands for increased production line speed. It also addresses the issue of high equipment investment costs. Oh, and there's more. The C7739 model, the entire machine is rated at RP65 housing level, making it suitable for harsh production environments. It effectively solves the problem of equipment downtime caused by operational conditions. Downtime due to malfunctions leads to lost production capacity. It also addresses the issues of complicated maintenance and high operating costs. This machine delivers precise marking, has a wide range of applications, operates stably for peace of mind and ease, offers flexible layout, seamless integration, and is easy to maintain for safe production. With its Videojet foundation, it achieves fine marking and ensures high contrast. At the same time, it also increases marking speed. Let's take a look at the marking results here. In the sample image, our scale lines are extremely clear. Also, this QR code here is 0.4 millimeters by not 0.4 centimeters by 0.4 centimeters. It is a very clear 0.04 centimeters micro QR code. Here we can see that our 77330 machine does not have catwalk technology. It uses an adjustable Q switch instead. It prints on black surfaces. On the altar, it's relatively faint and unclear with lower contrast. Now this is our CC7739. It prints much more clearly, prints in pinyin, and its marking speed is almost twice as fast as the 7330. Here we have a comparison. Here we have the maximum pulse energy. For Cat8, it's 0.8, while for Q-switch, it's 0.67. The manual mode can be adjusted freely. The manual mode can be adjusted at will to avoid issues like raised starting points or unclear convergence. Here we have an image, and we can see that by adjusting the focus and Q switch for each character's beginning, there is always a dot and a connecting line, which looks rather unattractive. At the starting point, there will always be this kind of spark and connecting line phenomenon. So for us, only the cat climbing technology, like C7739, hasn't perfectly solved this problem. As for the adjustable frequency range, it's from 1 to 4000, and the Q switching is between 30 and 60. High-frequency pulses allow the laser to act on the product more times within a unit of time, quickly completing marking tasks and achieving high-speed marking. Gradually, the audience reaches 200 to 2500, then jumps to 50, 100 to 120. Now, about the narrow pulse width. It can concentrate high energy onto a very small area of the product surface in an extremely short time, reducing the thermal impact on the product surface and enabling high precision, high contrast marking. So remember our Image. With its adjustable pulse width and a relatively wide frequency range, it performs exceptionally well in coding on specific materials, meeting diverse coding requirements. It can be used to create black markings on metal materials such as anodized aluminum and copper sheets. On stainless steel, by adjusting the focus, it can produce colored markings in white, blue, black, cyan, purple, yellow, green, pink, and more. We have a diagram here to demonstrate this. A variety of colors can be formed as colored markings on stainless steel materials. Let's take a look at the scenario with the flat field lens. For the scenario, there are multiple flat field options available. You can choose from a variety of scenarios. It maintains excellent print quality, ensuring uniform character thickness throughout the entire print area and preventing edge distortion of the characters. As for the scanning mirrors, there are two types. One is a high-speed scanning mirror, and the other is an ultra-high-speed scanning mirror. The 8mm scanning mirror is suitable for high-speed marking, with speeds reaching up to 2,100. Up to 2,400 meters per minute, which can effectively improve production efficiency. Optimal temperature. The laser system continuously monitors the ambient temperature. For example, the 7730 and 7739 laser machines can have their lasers monitor the environment's temperature in real time, adjusting according to changes in ambient temperature. It automatically compensates the output power to achieve more stable power output. This ensures consistently uniform marking results. This machine of ours is also very small and compact in size with a lightweight design. As for the scan head, it only weighs 4.25 kilograms. The scan head weighs only 4.25 kilograms. And what about the scan head orientation? Because it can achieve quick adjustment from 0 to 90 degrees through QC, Quick Quake C. This is a 3-white header converter. The conversion enables seamless integration. The Quick C is compact and flexible, easy to install, and ensures reliable connectivity. The KOC5 uses a poke-poke pin connection method. Remember, when it comes to poke pin technology, for example, I have an image here. On our smartwatches, there are usually pins like the ones used for charging cables. All of them are pins, directly connected pins. This way, even after many times of plugging and unplugging, it won't damage this part. With the pin, it won't damage this area. If we don't use this technology and frequently plug and unplug, the connection point might get damaged. Our colonoscope. There are multiple working distances available with a maximum marking area of up to 550 by 550 millimeters, which can meet the needs of different application scenarios. For example, our high-speed head HS and UHS-8, as well as the scanning module, their lenses include f100, fe100, and also f254 and f330. Additionally, the HS and UHS ultra-high-speed large galvanometer heads can be equipped with f254, f330, f420, f580, f800, and so on. So, regarding focal lengths, we have a variety of different lenses currently available, and the focal lengths are all distinctly different from one another. We also have the maximum possible height, along with the overall width. The width, for example, our F100 has a marking area of 70 by 70. Its marking range is 70 by 70. And what about F800? That would be 550 by 550. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The length of our throat tube is selectable. There are two options for the length. You can choose either 3 meters or 5 meters. Red light for positioning and red light for focusing. The standard mechanical configuration comes with a built-in guide beam. The integrated guide beam provides simpler, faster, and more precise focal point alignment as well as print preview. Simplifying the production line really does help. Setting adjustments can reduce downtime and waste and improve efficiency. With our red light focusing, we can simplify production line testing, reduce downtime and waste, and increase both the production efficiency and the product pass rate. Modular design. The Z7739 adopts an innovative modular design, which gives it powerful capabilities. Flexibility and forward thinking. It supports the upgrading and replacement of supported scan heads and lasers. It meets the diversified coding needs of new products, as well as the future requirements for increased production line speed. As for the lifespan of the laser source, it can reach up to 100,000 hours. 100,000 hours. Our C7739. It also features automatic power compensation. It can automatically detect the laser tube's power and adjust it accordingly. No manual intervention is required, ensuring the laser operates in its optimal and most stable state. As for our specific laser system, once it is finally turned on, the bright red warning light will immediately begin to flash. And the status light. The status of these lights can be seen at a glance. This is visualization. It reduces human intervention and ensures the production line operates smoothly. It also provides a crucial safety warning. If the color of the light indicates a certain operating status, all personnel should strictly avoid getting close to the area. If we need to inspect the equipment thoroughly or check the product quality, we need to completely halt the printing process before proceeding. Also, it is important to remember that safety comes first. Regarding the user communication interface, it supports USB RS-232 as well as Ethernet, and there are also inputs for the encoder and product detection as well as the trigger. There is also an interlock safety device. Additionally, there are commonly used signal outputs, such as for the smoke purifier, laser ready function, print completion function, and a machine alarm light. And other connection ports. All right, RP65. As for the protection rating, our entire C7739 machine is rated RP65, including its printing unit, power supply, and the touchscreen. It is RP05, making it suitable for harsh environments such as dust-free workshops, supermarkets, high temperature, and other factory settings. Moreover, it does not require a factory air supply, chiller, or blower, which saves both space and costs. This specific model utilizes a built-in air cooling system. Yes, air cooling. So, if you look at the back of our laser unit, there is a high-performance fan that directly and continuously provides essential air cooling to the laser source. In addition, our touchscreen controller, it's 10 inches, 10 inches. It's simple and easy to operate. It supports simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, and English operation interfaces, among others. You can directly edit templates online, reducing downtime and improving production efficiency. Status display, fault testing, and fault diagnosis are all clear at a glance. If there are any faults, they will be shown directly on the display screen, making fault diagnosis very straightforward. It has built-in customizable fonts. This ensures consistent coding. It also offers strong anti-counterfeiting capabilities. As for parameters, here is a parameter scan chart for this machine. It supports 4 types: HS8, UHS8, HS14, and UHS14. The laser marking direction ranges from 0 to 90 degrees. With our quick C, flexible switching can be achieved. Regarding the direction of the laser head and the marking range is determined by HS8 and UHS8. Its marking area is 220 by 220, 220 by 220, while HS14 and UHS14 can support up to 550 by 550 millimeters. As for the marking speed, it can achieve 2,100 products per minute and even up to 2,400 products per minute. The marking speed in millimeters is 2,100 to 2,400 millimeters per minute. Millimeters, millimeters, millimeters. Laser source available wavelengths. The laser source is from Coherent and it's 30 watts. The wavelength is from 1059 to 1069. Next, protection and cooling. In terms of protection, the protection level is definitely IP65, and its cooling is achieved through air cooling. Air cooling. The main target markets for this machine are the electronics industry, automotive parts, and also the food and beverage industry. Right, here we have a great example for us to look at. One example is automotive parts, specifically a sealing strip. So what about the machine's configuration? It's selected as follows. C7739. The laser machine and the print scan head is UHS8 with an f254 lens. As for beta, its full name is 7C7739. The laser machine is also HSHS8, and the scenario above uses the same f254 lens. Its speed can reach 44.6 meters per minute up to 10 meters, 10 meters. It can also print on automotive trim strips. For automotive trim strips, the selection is a bit different. It's not quite the same. The machine is definitely all 7C7739, but for the scan head, it's UH14. The lens for f330, and for beta, it's 7739 laser, HS14, 330 lens. The lenses are all the same, all f330. It prints on green English platforms as well as automotive trim strips. Its speed is higher, reaching 18 to 20 meters per minute, 18 to 20 meters. Here is our printing result. It can also do more. It can print on third stage ink cartridges, or we can do marking on our ink core as well. So for marking in this context, you can choose to use this model of ours. As for the scanner head, you can use the right outer area S8 scanner and UHIS 14 Sumito, which allows it to print on PP products, PV products, as well as plastic and metal. For example, CR key accessories. What kind of accessories? Plastic and metal or materials? For this type of printing, what you need is static printing, not dynamic printing. Static printing only.